change out some wipers. So I got the passenger side here. You can see this is the old one. So literally let's just grab this, flip that up, and move it up so that way it's out of the way here. Do that, slide it over. It's hard to do with one hand, but slide it over, voila. And put it up, make sure these don't smack down into your windshield. All right, I'll go around and we get the other side. All right, this side's gonna be the same thing. You can see the little lever right here. Basically take this, flip it up, slide it down in, pull her out. So that one's out. And like I said, make sure this doesn't smack down so it doesn't damage your windshield. All right. Now I got to get these opened up. This style's a little different. You gotta squeeze this and open it up. So you squeeze this in and lift it up. You can see that's how that one works. So now it's got to get the wiper arm. Okay, I had to put the phone down so I get the wiper arm up. So now it's the same thing. Basically this just slides up over and then it locks into there and that goes down over top. Voila, that one's done. Now we'll get the other side. It's gonna be the same thing. Basically squeeze, pop that open, and then it's gonna go over top of that. I'll bring it down here so I can see a little better. Over top of that, pull till it clicks in, snap that in, and then remove a little orange. And there, that's both sides done. Now we'll go around to the back one, which you can see laying there in the middle of the windshield. All right, back one's a little different. So you can see these are a little bit different on this, but this, literally just twist it all the way around. That one's off. Go to the next one, and it's gonna go on this way. So it has to slip down over. I gotta put the phone down. I can't do this with two hands. All right, and this slips down over top. Get the little pin. It's hard to see it inside there. There's a little pin inside there. Basically get that lined up and it just snaps down around. And once you get it pushed up in, then basically just rotate it around and then put it down. See there, and then literally, back one's done, front ones are done. Now let's just clean up and get rid of the old ones.